Hi there, my name's John and I'm going to tell you about this odd looking box and what I've done to it. Let's start by having a look around and I'll explain what we've got. This box is 150 years old and it's a coal box. Typically this would be in your parlour to keep the coal for your fire out of the way and looking neat. You can see it's made of sturdy wood and it's got a nice appearance to it with some inlay and brass handles. Let's pull it out and we'll have a look at the back. Now it's looking unusual. We've got a power cable and an Ethernet cable, maybe an on-off button and a fan grill. We'll go back around the front and we can lift the lid and see what is inside. So this is my N100 server project. It's on a real breadboard and we can pull it out on these drawer slides, and up top is an N100 ITX motherboard. It's very DIY. There's a cooling fan running on top of the processor and there's a PCIe expansion card for the hard disk cables. Alongside you can see a Raspberry Pi. Underneath we've got a pair of disks and there's a PCB up front for our power breakout, and alongside that is a Mini-ITX power supply. Let's have a look up top again and you can see the power running in and an Ethernet cable that links to the back. There we go. Now we can slide it back in, close up the lid and tuck it out of the way again. This may not necessarily be the neatest mini home DIY server project you've seen, but it's been kind of fun, very unique and built using some low cost components. I hope you like the look of it. Below are links to the parts used. Please drop some comments below and I'd like to hear what you think, and if there's enough interest I could do a full build description. Thank you.